Watch out, you motorbike! I'm back here again today. I don't know if a concrete's been poured in those or not. I'm looking for some telltale signs. Hang on, I'll stick my finger up. There's a little bit of a crack down here. Well, there you go, fellas. The inside of it's greased with something and it's empty. So now I know. Haven't been poured yet, just waiting for the truck to come. Very good. Now I've got to clean my fingers. Wow, that's very impressive. One day from the floor being poured and they got the boxing up. They haven't poured the concrete into the boxing yet, but it's all braced and the framing's up, the boxing's up, all ready to go. I'd say tomorrow, first thing. That's just bloody magic. One day after pouring the floor. I had a bit of difficulty today with the mud here. How you going, fellas? Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, give us a share, subscribe. YouTube doesn't take you seriously unless you've got 1,000 subscribers. I've got a miserable 119 subscribers. Chuck yours on there, please. Try and help me get up to 1,000. I know it's a big ask. Catch us. Have a good day wherever you are. So I had a bit of difficulty today with the mud here, getting the concrete mixers in. Come and have a look at the boxing. Anybody know what this is? These steels, U-channels, I think are going to be for the roof on the small house, because the roof's mostly done on the big house. But the important thing is, they're welding the little plates on top of the Rio, ready to construct the roof frame of the small house. Yesterday they poured the concrete. I came in the morning and the concrete had not been poured. I came in the afternoon, the concrete had been poured, and today they're welding those plates on the top. She's just steaming along. She's steaming along, mate. And the big house, howdy cup. And the big house is moving along there, enclosing the ceiling areas. The rendering is just getting a bit more done every day. It's moving along good. The rooster crows, another day started. Look what they've done today when I get here. Well, there you go, another day. Another day, it's just flying along. We've got the bricks here today, and we've got the outside steel work on, and we've got the form of the roof, as in the ones on this end are longer than the ones on the far side, so it's going to be sloping over towards the back from where we are now. Wow, all happening good. I was trying to point out yesterday, on the building over there, where the columns, the Rio from the columns meets the structural steel roofing, it's just the Rio rods themselves are welded to the structural steel. And this one here, on this building, is different. They've welded the steel plate on top of the Rios, and then the roof structure is welded to the steel plate, which is a more proper way of doing it, although I'm sure the other roof is not going to come off. But the engineer pointed that out to me, but he's doing it much better than the other people, which is really good. Well, the next few days are going to be fairly predictable. They're going to be constructing the roof and getting the roof cladding on. Where there's some more to show, I'll put a video up. Stay tuned. Have a good life wherever you are in this beautiful world. Have a good life, guys.